Does this remind you of anything? Musty smells, mold growth, moisture, and standing water all contribute to a nasty crawl space. We can change this to a clean, healthy, usable space. The AquaStop encapsulation system is permanently fastened to walls, floors, and support columns to completely isolate your home from the earth. This allows moisture to be controlled, and when combined with the AquaStop dehumidification system, eliminates potential mold growth. For homeowners who already have mold, the AquaStop mold remediation system uses a 3-step process to remove harmful mold and disinfect your floor framing. In addition to controlling moisture, homes challenged with standing water can be permanently repaired using our AquaStop Easy Flow drainage system. Easy Flow drainage is installed around the entire perimeter of the crawl space and drains to a sealed sump, which discharges water away from your home. You now have peace of mind knowing that your home is protected from mold, rot, and odors.